Hello and good morning. I'm Avanindra Chakraborty from Coders Era, and today I will introduce you to what is programming. So, we talk in different languages like English, Hindi, French, German, Greek. It, like that, there are many languages which we use to communicate. So, now imagine a life without talking. You would feel lonely, really sad. We communicate by talking only. If you want your friend to pay attention to what you are saying, you say, pay attention to what I'm saying. That's how you express it. If you don't say this, then how will he understand how what to do? Then like that, programming is a way to talk to the computer or talk with the or talking with the computer. Like Hindi, Bengali, French, English, and other languages. There are various languages for communicating with the computer. All the apps and programs and websites and games you see all around you are actually huge bunches of codes. To allow the computer to perform a task, you always need to code it. Suppose in VLC Media Player, what you think is that we open the media file, click the play button, and that is what we order the computer. But no, this is not right. When you open the media file, hundreds of codes are running in the background. Imagine a life without coding is imagining a life without advanced technology, computers, mobiles, and laptops. Do you think that without coding we could use computers? No, because even computer operating systems run on code. And then why should you learn to code? We need to learn to code as we can learn how to talk with computers. That the world is growing in technology, and many like everything related to technology nowadays is working on code. Like Google, and then all those big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, all of them have grown mostly due to like websites and technological things which are made with code, programming. Hence, learning to code is like really important. It's a skill. It gives you huge chunks of information about the internet, and it teaches you how, how, um, how to think properly and be creative. And it makes logical thinking and problem solving skills improve. There's a high chance of getting a good job in the future if coding languages are mastered, like data science. You can do it with programming, and it's a really high paying job. And the last and the most important part, it's fun. Then all these applications which you are seeing, like Minecraft, it is made with Java, at least the Java edition. So it's made with code. Even the Google Dinosaur game, it is made with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Reddit is made with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then the Adobe apps are made with programming. Like this, many applications are made with coding, and there are many different languages for coding. Like Python, which is mostly used for data science and can be used for web development and many other things. Java, like I said, Minecraft and some other games are also made in Java. C++, that's a very popular application for making video games. And there are other languages also like PHP, JavaScript. JavaScript is used for websites, C Sharp, C, etc. And well, we have started with a Python tutorial, and the link is in the description. So if you like the video, then you can click the like button. And if you want more content like this, you can subscribe it. And if you want others to know about this channel, then you can share it. And stay tuned. Bye.